How to fix TikTok maximum number of attempts reached error. If you're facing this error, it is because you've tried to log into your account a lot of times. You might have forgotten your password and guessed the password a lot of times. If you've entered the incorrect credentials many times, TikTok does it in order to protect your account. In that case, what you have to do is simply wait for a while. Wait for about 2 to 3 hours before trying again. After 2 to 3 hours, you can simply try to log in to your account. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. Keep in mind when you're logging to your account, instead of guessing the password, what you have to do is reset the password. After you enter the email or username, tap on the option Continue. Now when you're prompted to enter the password, make sure to enter the correct password. Otherwise, simply reset it and enter the new password. This will help you prevent this error again. If the problem still does not fix, what you can do is simply try clearing the data of TikTok. For that, open App Library of your device. Find the application for TikTok and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Once you do that, tap on the option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Clear Storage. Tap on the option OK. Now once the app's data is reset, you can simply open the TikTok and try logging in again. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, simply uninstall the TikTok application and install the latest version of the app again. After you do that, the bugs of the TikTok will also be fixed. Now you should be able to log into your account without encountering that error. So like this, you can fix TikTok maximum number of attempts reach error. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.